Stop by and take a look at the 2024 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist, battery saver, power brakes, traction control, adaptive cruise control, multifunction display. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used program. It's the smart choice.